Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode, I make my submission to the hashtag Love Potion 2021. Mookie and I have saved you a seat at the bar.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. This guy here is Fred, he's a regular at my bar. So this episode we're doing the hashtag Love Potion 2021 submission. So it's not so much a contest, but a challenge. It's put on by Rob from Rob's Home Bar, Vino from 60 Second Cocktails, and David from Booze on the Rocks. While we're giving shout-outs, I want to give a special shout-out to Cocktail Tony. Cocktail Tony does a YouTube channel out of Fort Collins, Colorado. Now, I swear Cocktail Tony is the reincarnation of Tony Tarsino. Of course, Tony Tarsino is from Captain Tony's in Key West, Florida. Captain Tony's bar was made famous by Jimmy Buffett's song Last Mango in Paris. So my lovely libation that I'm going to make for my hashtag Love Potion 2021 is called Chappy's Love Potion number 69 Tiki Bar Punch. I have my retro punch bowl here, but first I just want to mention something. Mookie and I got a little bit of takeout. We got some Buffalo Wild Wings. I was a little bit disappointed. Apparently up in here in Canada they discontinued the Caribbean jerk, which is my favorite. But the reason I bring that up is Mookie and I always get takeout. Apparently Skip the Dish and DoorDash, they're killing the local bars and restaurants. So if you get a chance, go pick your food up yourself. And also, just because you're getting takeout and picking it up doesn't mean you can't tip. So look after everyone, and every little bit helps. So do the right thing. All right, and then also, if you want to see me actually eat in a Buffalo Wild Wings, I had a game day episode about, I guess it would be almost a year ago, because it was around the Super Bowl. So I'll put the link up on the screen. It was a game day part 2 episode. I remember not only was it right around the time of the Super Bowl, about a year ago, when Mookie Betts got traded to the Dodgers. And of course, I was very disappointed because I named my dog after the guy because I was a huge Red Sox fan. So check out this clip, see if you can tell if I was having a bad day or not. All right, so we're going to head into Buffalo Wild Wings and watch the game and have some chicken wings. Leave in the comment section below if you think I should change Mookie's name to Steve. So we're just going to head on into Buffalo Wild Wings. Oh! Why does this keep on happening? So we're going to get started on my lovely libation. Again, that clip was from Game Day Part 2 about a year ago. I also make Fallernum in that episode. I actually made a Crazy Owl's High Roller from Frankie's Tiki Room in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you combine the 10 ingredients I used to make the Fallernum, that one drink had 21 ingredients. Just crazy. But without any further ado, I'm going to make my Chappy's Love Potion 69 Tiki Bar Punch. The number one ingredient for Chappy's Love Potion 69 Tiki Bar Punch, of course, is passion fruit juice. You got to have passion in your relationship. So I'm going to put in a whole liter of passion fruit juice. Just the other day, I was driving in the car with my girlfriend, and she said, "Chappy, you're passionate." I said, "I'm passionate?" She said, "Yeah, the liquor store, you're passionate." All right, so 1 liter for my American friends, that's about 34 ounces. The best way to do the conversion, so this is a 2.6. Basically, this bottle has 26 ounces. 26 ounces is equal to 750 milliliters. So it's 3/4 of a liter, or 1,000 milliliters is 1 liter. So I've memorized 26 ounces is 750 milliliters, and that conversion will come in handy absolutely never. It's the same, again, for my American friends. If you want to do Fahrenheit to Celsius, if it's 82 degrees Fahrenheit, that's exactly equal to 28 degrees Celsius. So you take the 8 and 2 and turn it around. So 82 equals 28, but that only works if it's 82 degrees Fahrenheit. So some useless information for you, but we will get started on that cocktail. So again, that's 1 liter of passion fruit juice. I like passion fruit juice. It's nice and tart. So we'll go in with the booze next. And while I'm pouring, I'll just go over the rules if there's any YouTubers out there that want to get in on this challenge. So basically, there's just 4 rules. First rule, for your love potion, it has to be pink or red. Second rule, you need a chocolate garnish. Third rule, somewhere in the name, it has to say hashtag love potion 2021. And the fourth rule is it has to be in by March 1st. Okay, next up, I'm going to do a cup of Cointreau. And then a cup of white rum. I have Cruzan aged rum from St. Croix. And then my last booze ingredient. This is a secret weapon. I feel I need to give a disclaimer. It's Everclear, 190 proof. The grain alcohol that will kill you. I just feel like you need to keep this away from an open flame because it is lightning. So you know what? What the heck? Let's just do the whole bottle. It's a love potion, so this will put a spell on you if it doesn't kill you. We're going to do a cup of pineapple. Now we need it to be pink. I'm going to use an entire liter of watermelon juice. I'm going to use an entire liter of strawberry kiwi juice. And then I have some strawberry Italian soda. That's another liter. And a cup of mango. And a cup of cranberry. And that will round it out. Oops. Mookie took a little bit of cranberry there. Careful, Mookie. All right. That's okay. Did you get cranberry in your eyes, darling? All right. And then if you want, this is optional. I have ginger ale, but I'll probably just top it off at the end with the ginger ale. Maybe, maybe not. If you like your punch fizzy, then add the ginger ale. I'll probably leave it out. And then what I did is I made some punch earlier, and I froze 2 blocks. That way, instead of putting blocks of ice in your punch bowl, blocks of frozen punch, and that way it doesn't dilute the punch. I have one more requirement. I need to do the chocolate garnish. My retro punch bowl came with 8 really nice glasses. I just took these out of the box. I think I might use these to drink whiskey with. They're actually really nice glasses. Now, for some reason, the ladle was plastic, but I guess they figure if you can drop a glass or two, but if you drop the ladle, you might be a bit screwed on that. Okay, so I have a blood orange. All right, calm down, Mookie, calm down. I'm just going to run it around the glass, and we're going to rim the glass. I actually have some espresso cocoa infused sea salt. So I'm just going to sort of rim it like you would a margarita glass. But if that's not chocolatey enough, I took a blood orange wheel and I dipped it in melted chocolate and put it in the fridge. So we're just going to ladle up my punch. And that's my Chappy's Love Potion number 69 Tiki Bar Punch. And that is my entry for the hashtag Love Potion 2021. Thanks for your patience, Mookie. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and give me a like. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.